Hello everyone, and yes, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you on how I am going to make chapati. And this is actually a very hard time for me, and I am thinking it's really a struggle for me to make chapati or roti. Here, this is a very common food like rice in the Philippines, here in Pakistan. So here, I am going to make this chapati without any measurement, and I will just make it according to my estimation. And let's see what will happen. This is actually my second time. The first time was really like hell, but let's see what will happen to this second time. All right, so I'm doing like this is the very hard time for me because it's really a struggle and a challenge if you marry with a Pakistani. So it's done. Here I will be placing it on the box and be placing it in the refrigerator, right, for at least 30 minutes. So here, after 30 minutes, I'm gonna make now the roti or the chapati. This is how I see them how to make, especially our maid or my sister-in-law taught me how to make like that. So I'll be doing it based on what I see to our maid on how she is making. All right, so it's really like so hard for me, and this is a very big challenge for me. Actually, I am married for 20 years or for almost 20 years, but this time I think I must learn how to make chapati. Although my husband is not really forcing me to make chapati whenever there is no maid or whatever, but of course this is their food and I have to learn because not all the time you have a maid. So here it is. Let's see what will happen. So just like that, let the tawa, as they called it, to get hot, and then place the chapati or the dough, and then when it's a little bit cooked, you have to remove the tawa and then make the fire high, right, and then cook it directly to the fire. So it will be like that. So this is the second one. Let's see. All right. So it seems like it's okay. And I think actually it looks like soft also. Okay. So that's all. It takes really a long time to cook Pakistani food. Not just the roti, but also their salan or their ulam, as we call that in Tagalog. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day, everyone. After cooking, we have to keep it inside of the hot pot and use a fabric to keep it hot and soft.